Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the incredible health benefits of a vegetable that might surprise you. It is called ladyfinger, also known as okra. Nutritional value. The nutritional value of ladyfinger, this green veggie is rich in dietary fiber, vitamins and minerals. It's a fantastic source of vitamin C, vitamin K and folate, which are essential for immune function, bone health and cell division. Digestive health. Ladyfinger is a great friend to your digestive system. The soluble fiber in okra helps to regulate digestion, prevent constipation and maintain a healthy gut. It can also promote a feeling of fullness, which could be helpful for those looking to manage their weight. Blood sugar management. If you are concerned about blood sugar levels, ladyfinger might be your ally. It contains compounds that could help improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels. Skin health. Believe it or not, ladyfinger can contribute to healthy and radiant skin. It is high in vitamin C content. It supports collagen production, which is essential for skin elasticity. It is also act as an antioxidant, helping to fight oxidative stress and free radicals. Bone strength. Strong bones are crucial for a healthy life. Its vitamin K content plays a role in bone mineralization and helps maintain bone density. Including ladyfinger in your diet might contribute to better bone health over time. Heart friendly. Keeping your heart healthy is vital, and ladyfinger might have a role to play. The fiber, antioxidants, and potassium in okra can collectively support heart health by managing cholesterol levels and maintaining healthy blood pressure. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Stay healthy, stay happy. Until next time, thanks for watching.
Audio